In an era where financial stability is a top priority for many, the concept of passive income has gained significant popularity. Passive income streams offer individuals the opportunity to earn money while they sleep, providing financial freedom and security. In this video, we will dive into the world of passive income, explore various sources, and discuss the benefits and strategies for creating these income streams. What is passive income? Passive income is money earned with minimal effort or active involvement on the part of the recipient. Unlike active income, which requires you to trade your time and skills for a paycheck, passive income continues to flow even when you're not actively working. It's like planting seeds that grow into money trees, allowing you to reap the rewards long after the initial effort. Passive income sources. Investments. Dividend stocks. Owning shares in dividend-paying companies allows you to earn a portion of the company's profits regularly. Real estate. Rental properties can provide steady cash flow in the form of rent payments. Bonds. Government or corporate bonds pay periodic interest, providing a consistent income stream. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club enable you to lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest. Business ownership. 5. Online businesses. Creating and automating e-commerce stores, drop shipping, or affiliate marketing websites can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. 6. Franchises. Owning a franchise can yield passive income as the franchisee collects royalties and fees. Royalties and licensing. 7. Intellectual property. Authors, musicians, and artists receive royalties from book sales, music streaming, and licensing their creations. Digital products and courses. 8. Ebooks, online courses, and membership sites. Creating and selling digital products can provide a continuous revenue stream. Peer-to-peer sharing. 9. Rental services. Platforms like Airbnb or Turo enable you to rent out your property or vehicle for income. 10. Ride-sharing. If you have a vehicle, driving for platforms like Uber or Lyft can be a form of passive income. Benefits of passive income streams. Financial freedom. Passive income reduces reliance on a traditional job and can provide financial stability. Time freedom. Passive income allows you to spend more time doing what you love, whether it's traveling, pursuing hobbies, or spending time with family. Diversification. Multiple passive income streams can spread risk, making your financial situation more resilient. Wealth accumulation. Over time, passive income can accumulate and grow, potentially leading to wealth creation. Strategies for creating passive income streams. Invest wisely. Diversify your investments to minimize risk. Consider working with a financial advisor to create a well-balanced portfolio. Real estate. Research markets, understand property management, and consider hiring a property manager to handle day-to-day tasks. Online business. Invest time upfront in building a solid online presence and automating processes to reduce ongoing involvement. Intellectual property. Protect your intellectual property rights and explore licensing opportunities in your field. Digital products. Create high-quality, valuable digital products and use effective marketing strategies to reach your target audience. Peer-to-peer sharing. Provide excellent customer service to earn positive reviews and repeat business. Conclusion. Passive income streams represent a pathway to financial security, freedom, and wealth accumulation. While they require effort and sometimes significant upfront investment, the long-term benefits can be life-changing. Whether you're interested in dividend stocks, real estate, online businesses, or other passive income sources, it's essential to educate yourself, set clear goals, and take the necessary steps to build and manage these income streams effectively. With patience and dedication, you can watch your financial dreams turn into reality while you sleep. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for a steady dose of engaging content delivered straight to your feed. Your subscription fuels our passion for creating more great videos.